assignment. Number 1 says complete the multiplication facts. 7 times 2 is 14. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 10 is 70. 9 times 5 is 45. And 3 times 9 is 27. The second row, 5 times 6 is 30. 8 times 6 is 48. 7 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 8 is 56. 4 times 9 is 36. And 8 times 9 is 72. Going on to number 2, solve the division facts, and we can think about that multiplication fact above for help. So 16 divided by 4, I know the multiplication fact I did was 4 times 4 equals 16. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 70 divided by 10 is 7. Number 3 says fill in the missing number in each fact, then write a related division equation. So I know 7 times 3 is 21, which means 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 5 times 5 equals 25, so 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And 2 times 7 equals 14, so 14 divided by 7 equals 2. For number 4, it says write the answer to each equation below, and then write the story problem to match. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, and your story problem can be different about any topic you want it to be about. And 30 divided by 3 is 10, and again, your story problem can be whatever you'd like it to be. Going on to our the back of the page. Number 5 says solve each of the story problems below. Use another piece of paper if you need more room. Use numbers, labeled sketches, or words to show your thinking. Then write the equation to represent the problem and the answer. So remember, we've been talking about a bunch of different strategies. You can use whichever one you'd like. I'm just going to show 1 or 2. The pet store just got 32 new turtles. Elena is putting the turtles into terrariums. She puts 4 turtles in each terrarium. How many terrariums does she use? Well, I know that I'm not going to have more tanks than I do turtles, so my number of tanks needs to be smaller. So I'm going to do my division equation, which is 32 divided by 4, and that's going to equal T. And if I don't know that fact, we've been doing a lot of the pictures or the arrays, so I can have my 4 rows and see how many it takes to get to 32. And I see if I have 4 on the side, then I have 8 on the top, so it must be 8. If you didn't use that strategy, then that's okay. Letter B. The pet store has 9 puppies. Each puppy drinks 6 cups of water every day. How much water do all 9 puppies drink in one day? So I have 9 puppies and they each drink 6 cups. So I'm going to multiply and do 9 times 6 equals, I'm going to say W for water. And I know that 9 times 6 is 54 cups of water. And you can use whatever strategy you want for that. For number 6, it says the rectangles below have already been marked off in square units. Record the dimensions and then find the area and write 2 equations to show how we got it. This one, it goes up by 3 and over 6. So there are 18 square units. And I know that 3 times 6 equals 18. And I can say 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. And for our last one, it goes up 4 and over 5. So I know there are 20 square units. My equation is 4 times 5 equals 20. Or I could say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And that's it for tonight's homework.